Today, we're talking about swim lane diagrams, exploring what they are, how they are used, why they are beneficial, and how to start making your own. A swim lane diagram, also sometimes called a cross-functional flowchart, diagrams a process from start to finish, but it also divides these steps into categories to help distinguish which departments or employees are responsible for each set of actions. These lanes are columns or rows that keep actions visually separated from others. A swim lane diagram makes responsibilities more clear than a regular flowchart. When looking to improve processes, knowing which department is responsible for what can help speed up the process of correcting inefficiencies and eliminating delays. Swim lane diagrams are useful in many ways. Often they can help you streamline complex processes. During any process improvement initiative, swim lanes help identify not just the bottlenecks in a process, but also who is responsible for them. A swim lane diagram is also useful in clarifying responsibilities and helping teams work together in a world where they often don't fully understand what the other teams do. This may help you find costly redundancies and duplications or gaps and communication problems. Swim lanes can also help you understand deeper layers of complexity in a process. Symbols can represent external factors such as peripheral processes, external data, and third-party entities, in addition to the familiar flowchart symbols and notation. Now let's go over how to build a swim lane flowchart. It's really easy to do using an automated drawing tool like SmartDraw. First, identify the lanes. Decide what divisions you need represented by swim lanes and label them. The lanes can run horizontally or vertically depending on the structure of your flowchart and what you think reads better. Now add your symbols. Define the starting point of the process. Add a rounded rectangle to the top of the appropriate swim lane to indicate its starting point and label it. Continue adding steps to your chart. Each step should be connected to the one before it with a line. In this example, to add steps in the same swim lane, add from top to bottom. To add a step in another division, go from left to right. With each step, describe what it represents until you reach the end of the process. The arrows between the steps indicate the transfer or flow of information. Continue to analyze your processes over time and update your flowchart as employees and teams change and responsibilities and tasks evolve. Those are the basics of swim lane diagrams. We hope this helps you with your own process documentation and improvements. Thanks for watching.